welcome to the world of NXT Colour. I'm Kelly and I'm the NXT Colour Technician for Aston and Fincher. During this video, I'll be talking you through the NXT semi-permanent range available and explaining the mixing ratios and development times. We also have a selection of other videos available for hints and tips on how to use all of the products within the NXT range. So within the NXT semi-permanent range, we have 43 mildly oxidising semi-permanent colours. All of these are ammonia and paraben free. They're all intermixable shades, giving you endless possibilities, and now incorporated into the permanent shade guide so you can cross-check your corresponding permanent colour. We have a dedicated semi-permanent releaser, 5V 1.5%. And all of the semi-colours are 100ml tubes with 1 to 2 mixing, so you get 300ml of working product. So what is a semi ideal for? Refreshing colour, ideal when using alongside a regrowth application. Use a permanent on the roots and a corresponding semi on the mids and the ends. For a glossing service, to add shine and depth. On a colour chameleon client, less commitment with the semi than with a permanent. So for toning, slightly lower pH value means it's kinder to the hair, but remember toning requires a no-lift action, so semi will give you a stronger deposit and more durability. Same depth or darker when up to 50% white coverage is required, a 70% grey blend can also be achieved. And for colour correction, pre-pigmentation and colour filling services. So the durability of a semi, the semis will last approximately 18 to 24 washes depending on the hair condition, possibly less with toning due to the colour deposit and the hair condition. The NXT semi-colours have a gentle action on the hair, with the colour only partially penetrating the cortex and sitting closer to the cuticle to give a greater shade intensity and shine. Always use our dedicated 5V 1.5% cream releaser, which is formulated with conditioning agent so that the client's hair is protected during the colour process. You can use the NXT semis on white hair. This will create a white-grey blend. It's perfect when the client requires less commitment with their colour and the regrowth line will not be as visible. So up to 50% white coverage and 70% blend using the target shade with a corresponding natural, 0.0. For example, a target shade of 5.77, use 50 grams of 5.77 with 50 grams of 5.0 and give this the full development time. When mixing NXT semi-colours, the ratio is 1 to 2 on the full range, 100ml of colour with 200ml of semi-releaser, and this will give us 300ml of working product. Always mix with the NXT semi-permanent cream releaser, 5V 1.5%. For deeper results with more intensive coverage of white-grey hair, the mixing ratio can be changed to 1 to 1.5. So for instance, 100ml of colour with 150ml of the cream releaser. We recommend the use of digital scales for accuracy and economy. The development time on the full range is 20 minutes, and this is even when we are blending white hair. If using on hair that has been permed or chemically straightened, then we can reduce the time by 5 minutes. And if using for toning, then 5 to 10 minutes is ideal, but the stronger the deposit that is required, the longer you can leave it on for. When colouring porous hair, e.g. toning, visually check this every 2 to 5 minutes. At the end of the development time, gently emulsify the colour with a little warm water and rinse thoroughly. Then apply a professional Colour Protect shampoo, massage gently and rinse. Finish with a Colour Protect conditioner or mask. Rinse thoroughly and style as usual. Thank you for watching. We hope this has been informative. Please check out our other videos available.